The Chinese economy, the world's second largest, shrank by 6.8% in the first 3 months of this year compared with a year ago. The contraction, announced last week by the National Bureau of Statistics, is the first economic shrinkage acknowledged in the official statistics since 1976, when the country was in the final days of the Cultural Revolution. Indian apparel exporters have approached the government seeking 100% waiver of demurrage on import and export shipments of the apparel exporting industry for the period starting from March 1, 2020 till the time lockdown continues. Apparel Export Promotion Council AEPC has made the request in a letter to Civil Aviation Minister Hardeep Singh Puri. In the light of the current coronavirus COVID-19 pandemic, ITMA Asia plus CITME 2020 has been rescheduled. Despite receiving strong response from exhibitors, show organizers said. Originally slated to be held in October, the combined show will now take place from June 16 to June 21, 2021 at the National Exhibition and Convention Center, Shanghai. eTex, a startup from the Indian Institute of Technology, Delhi, that develops smart textile solution for healthcare, has come up with a cheap and effective face mask for protecting and safeguarding people from the risk of novel coronavirus. At Rs 45, the mask, called Kavach, are at par with N95 ones and can reach a larger section of the masses. Korean textile and apparel industry has strongly urged US department store retail chain Kohl's to reconsider its decision to cancel orders and not to make use of force majeure clauses in the contracts with its supply chain vendor partners. It has asked Kohl's to resolve the matter arising out of cancellation of orders amicably with its supply chains. The European sporting goods sector is strongly affected by the COVID-19 outbreak, with 45% of companies declaring a loss of turnover ranging between 50 to 90% since the beginning of the crisis, according to a recent survey by the Federation of the European Sporting Goods Industry. A new, broader survey will be conducted shortly. A review carried out by scientists from the University of Manchester and Aalto concludes that urgent changes are needed to fast fashion approach, in which clothing items are treated as disposable to protect the environment. They have suggested a slow fashion approach comprising slowdown in manufacturing volumes and introduction of sustainable practices. Fiber to Fashion, the online platform for the global textile apparel and fashion industry, has completed 20 years serving the textile vertical through its B2B services, market intelligence reports, TextPro, media, branding solutions, and tailor-made service packages.